Catholic Church of the Resurrection of Christ. And also on the roof of this church, on the height 28 meters, there is an observation deck. Some short historic information. After Lithuania gained independence, the Lithuanian society came up with the idea to build up a temple in the postmodern or modern style. But due to high cost, the project was began only in summer of 1934, and to regret, by the beginning of Second World War, the temple was not completed and construction stopped. And after the finishing of the war, a Soviet government passed this building, not finished building, to the radio plant. And only when Lithuania became an independent country in 1993, the building was returned back to the Catholic community. And after the finishing of the construction, this cathedral, this church, was opened in December of 2004. In 2015, Pope Francis awarded the church the title of minor basilica.